Hello everyone, and how are you doing? I suppose you're all having a fantastic summer. I have been sharing some very yummy recipes. I hope you've been trying them and enjoying them. For today, I'll be sharing with you this very powerful immune boost that will not only help boost your immune system, your gut, your organs, but will equally cleanse your skin pores, leaving your skin looking so fresh, rejuvenated, and so bright and beautiful. Like, this is so yummy, easy to make. Plus, I'll be sharing with you a very good juicer that will help you come up with this so fast without taking a lot of your time. So refreshing and yummy. Voila. So in order to come up with this health boost and skin rejuvenating, like for glowy and fresh, healthy looking skin, the first ingredient I'll be using will be citrus fruits. So I'll be using 4 oranges, 1 lime, and 1 lemon. Yeah, these citrus fruits are loaded, like very rich source of vitamin C plus antioxidant to fight free radical damage, boost your immunity, cleanse your skin pores, support your system to flush out waste, toxins from your body, leaving your skin so healthy from the inside out, plus with beautiful, fresh, and vibrant skin complexion. So, in order to make this easy, this is a lot of citrus fruit. I will be introducing to you this food processor that helps to shred fruits for you, help you juice up your fruits without straining a lot. This is a lot of fruits. You want to make it life easy like me, and it is affordable as well. It is magical, so you can get it from Amazon. I will leave the link of how you can get it at my description. This is so, like, it has a lot of functions I will be sharing with you subsequently in my videos. Different ways you can use this food processor, and you will love it. You see how it takes the juice, all of the juice from your fruits, whereas when you use a manual juicer, you can never get the juice out of your fruits. Like, everything, you see, it squeezes out all of your juice and give you a lot of juice. Look at the peels, everything is out. So this is something you want to have if you're someone who loves living healthy like me. It makes life so easy. So if you're having just your citrus juice, just see the amount of juice you can get from 4 oranges using this processor. Very good and so handy. This is something you want to have. All my healthy lovers, healthy life lovers, get you yourself some of these and make life easy and healthy. The second ingredient I'll be using will be peaches or apples. So you can use 2 peaches or you use 2 apples, and I'll be like shredding them with the processor as well. So you just want to watch and see how you actually need that processor. So these are my peaches. I'll be using 2 peaches. They are actually highly loaded with vitamin C, a little bit of the vitamin A you need for the day, a little bit of so many vitamins and minerals to boost and your immune system, and this is so good to boost your overall health. If you can't lay your hands on peaches, you can actually go for apples. I've been having a lot of apples and I needed peaches because they are really very good for energy, cleansing your skin pores as well. Plus, they are loaded with a lot of vitamins to boost our overall organs for them to function properly for utmost health. So, these are 2 peaches. You just want to get them washed thoroughly and slice into some good sizes that we can just process. You are not blending, you're just processing just to get because we'll make a peach tea kind of something. Like, just watch till the end and see. And I'll be using 1 lime, the peel of 1 lime, the zest. So you can grate, but since I'll be processing this, I just want to, you want to avoid getting the white part, like just get like the top of it, the zest. Avoid that white part of it because it can make your juice bitter. So you just want to peel, the yellowish part. That is very good for your health. Very good, loaded with high amounts of vitamin C to boost your immunity, boost your overall organs. So I'm avoiding these white parts. They are bitter and not really necessary. And what we need is the actual, like, you see this section, you can zest, like, you can use your grate to zest it out, like just to get the zest. But since I'll be processing all, I just decided to like use to peel. So I hope you get what I'm trying to say. So I'll be using my processor to kind of mash the the peaches and the peel of lemon just to make it easy for me to come up with my tea because I don't want to really cook. So this makes it easy for me. This Magicos food processor is it's really very good, even to make your salads. Like I will share with you recipes with this stuff, and you really like it. It's really good, and I'll leave the link at my description for you to get it for yourself. So we are making peach tea now to come up with this drink. Like just watch the steps. So after you process or you kind of mash your peaches just to get the juice out of it in your tea, you can pour it in a big jar where we will be coming up with our peach tea. I don't want to cook because I don't really want to destroy a lot of the benefits from these the peaches. So I will just be kind of infusing to get the tea out of it. So in here is the my 2 peaches and the peel of lemon peel and 2 peaches. You just add in hot water, 4 cups of hot water. Just kind of use a cloth or your foil paper to allow it to give it like room to infuse, like to get the peaches infused in your water to come up with something like a peach tea, peach lemon peel tea, like peach tea. So this is what you do. You just leave it for like 10-15 minutes. When everything must have infused and it becomes very rich and really like together, you can take off your cloth or your foil paper, mix well together, and use your sieve to get the tea out of the peach, the out of the fiber. And I will not be throwing the fiber. These peaches, you can come up with your smoothie with it. Like I will just put it in my blender, add 1 banana, and I'll have it as my breakfast. Or you just have it to fill yourself up without adding calories in your system. So don't throw this fiber, don't throw the yeah. So you just want to kind of see, if you see how my tea looks so concentrated without it looks so concentrated and rich without me really destroying the benefits. So this is what I'll be using to come up with my very good immune boost juice, plus to cleanse my skin pores, brighten up my skin, because this is loaded. Like when we talk of vitamin C to freshen and glow your skin, you have lots and loads of it in this juice of today. Plus this will leave your system so active, leave your organs very in good state to function properly, for you to live healthy and like live healthy with very active system. So this is it. This is how you just put everything together. This is summer and I like to add some ice cubes in my recipes just to make everything chilled, and like this is health in a glass. This is so yummy. This will improve your overall health. Like peaches are very rich. They are very rich source of antioxidant to fight free radical damage, causing skin issues like even cancer. This is so nourishing. Plus will cleanse your skin pores. When you talk of fresh beautiful skin, vitamin C is the key to that. Yeah, so share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Health is wealth. Let no one deceive you. Go for healthy recipes like this, and trust me, you will always have beautiful skin, good health, and you will always be so active without loading yourself up with sugars, causing belly fat and weight gain. So this is it. Try this recipe and you will love your skin. You will love your overall health. You will be so strong and you will hardly be prone to sicknesses and diseases because your immunity is so strong. You have a very strong immune system. Yeah. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.